I hear it's true.
It's really irritating.
Oh, hello, and welcome to eTrue ABU Story. Tonight our show will feature one of ABU's finest, a student by the name of Joshua Lee Donald Dory.
So, my life was pretty straightforward. Like, before all of this, I was just a pretty ordinary guy, you know, living in the middle of the woods, you know, going down to the river, catching your meal with your bare hands. You know, me and my father were pretty close, and then moved up from the middle of the woods, and we moved to the middle of nowhere. Lived on a little place called Aldersville, close to New Ross, and that's where everything came together, I think, you know. We got that little bit of civilization in us, and people just saw me and like, man, Dory, you are gonna make it big.
How did you get involved in country music?
Like, for me, the country music thing was pretty easy. Like, I grew up on it, like I said, when we moved out of the woods there and we stopped chasing fish in the river, like I said, we moved into Aldersville, and we got a radio, and I just didn't realize they had those out for that long. I just started hearing all this music and couldn't help but hearing that twang. It just touched my heart, and I was singing like songs like Randy Travis and good old Alan Jackson, Willie Nelson. You're Always on My Mind, songs like that. I was 4 or 5 years old, and I was just singing those songs, and I just had a passion for it. And then I was down at New Ross Exhibition, and that was my big country break right there. They had this awesome band, 5 Bucks, man. They were famous. They loved to party, they could sing, and they wanted a contest. They wanted a singer to come up, and they asked me to come up and change my life. We sung Boot Scootin' Boogie by Brooks and Dunn. I couldn't believe it. I tell you, I was boogieing, and some of the women there were boogieing too. I was like 10, and they had a thing for me. It was pretty cool. And so one of the managers from 5 Bucks said, "Hey, you wanna come tour with us?" And soon before I knew, I was writing my own songs, and that's when These Boots Were Made for Walking to You began, because it was really inspired for my love for Deej off of Full House. You guys are gonna laugh at me, but that's what they were. I was in love with this girl off that show Full House, and I was convinced someday I was gonna meet her. And it was just a series of songs written to her, and my heart was put right into it. And I had it to high school, and I tried singing. I loved country music. We had some talent shows up there, and I got up on stage and I started dancing, and I formed my own pelvic thrust, and good music and a good dance makes one heck of a performer, and that's what it was. I was one heck of a performer, and I got up on the South Shore Idol, and they said if I could sing, I would have blew everyone out of the water, because they'd never seen someone who could take the stage like I did. It was unbelievable. Red Dirt Road, that's where I drank my first beer. That's where I found Jesus. Like, those lyrics, those were some of the songs I sung, and people loved it. And then a few times up here at ABU, I sung some songs, and just this amazing duet that I did. You know, Tim McGraw's "It's Your Love." Well, I did that with another fellow ABU student, and I just rocked people's lives that day at our spring banquet. They were just touched. They couldn't believe that they were in the same room as Josh Dory.
It's your love, it just does something to me. It sends a shot right through me. I can't get enough. And if you wonder, I've got a spell on my love.
me to sing one of his songs off the album. Which ones? Like I had so many on there, but I guess the one that everyone would remember was the self-title of the album. There, these boots were made for walking to you. And I don't know. Like I said, I don't know if she ever heard that, but I was really putting my heart in that, man. I was only what? Like I said, 11, 12 years old, and I was writing a powerful love song to the girl. So, okay, I'll sing. Okay, this is how it goes. I just gotta get into the mood here. Gotta get into the mood. Gotta get in the mood here. I get up and you're on my mind. I get up and I need to start this day without you. I can't help but remember the time that we had when I walked down to the pond with your hand in mine. But now you're gone and I don't know why. I love you, girl, and I need to cry. So I'm gonna put on these boots, 'cause they were made to walk to you, and they were made to buy you love, and they were made to tell you how I feel. So I'm gonna put on these boots, 'cause these boots were made for walking to you.